back to Rena MoMoney Plus videos. I'm Rena MoMoney, and today we will be talking about how to calculate wholesale price for real estate. If you're trying to figure out how to calculate wholesale prices, today you will learn the formula on how to calculate wholesale price to know whether or not it's a good deal or not. So, come on in. Learning to calculate the wholesale price is going to be key because this is what's going to determine if it's a good deal or not. Remember, I said sometimes you may just have to walk away. As you know, I like to give shout outs. So I like to give a shout out to TP for commenting and subscribing. And I also like to give a shout out to J Perry for subscribing. Thank you so much. Thanks for the support. Make sure you stay until the end. Thank you for your support. So if you'd like to be mentioned on my next Rena MoMoney videos, please subscribe. Subscribe now. Click the little belly and I'll be giving you shout outs on the next Rena MoMoney video. So let's go. So today you're here to find out how to calculate a wholesale deal, how to know whether or not the numbers are correct so that you can move forward in purchasing your deal. Okay, it's called the MCO, Maximum Cash Offer. So if you haven't already, go ahead and get your pen, get your pad, or just take your mental note on how to calculate your wholesale deal, how to get the correct price offer. The simple method to MCO, which is the maximum cash offer, is 70% of the ARV minus the repairs. That equals your maximum amount that you're going to offer. So for example, if the house is valued at $100,000, you will take 70% of that, which is $70,000, minus out any repairs, and that dollar amount would be your maximum amount you're going to offer. So let's say the house is worth $100,000, 70% of that takes you to $70,000, and there's $10,000 worth of repairs that's needed. It may just need some carpet and paint. You're at $60,000. That's the amount, that's the maximum amount that you're going to offer. That's your maximum. You don't start with your maximum. You may want to say, well, you'll offer $55,000 for that. This is a simple example. A lot of houses are worth more than $100,000. You may be dealing in houses that's worth $100,000. You may also be dealing in houses worth $200,000 or $300,000. It depends on where you are in your real estate. This is simply an example of how to get that maximum cash offer, because the seller would definitely want to know, well, how much I'm going to get. What are you willing to offer me? How much I'm going to get for this house? They don't care how you come up with it. Well, some do and some don't. But one of the techniques and tools you're going to tell them is the reason why you're investing. You are an investor. You're looking to buy distressed properties, and you're going to revitalize the community, the neighborhood. So you can't buy it at retail. You can't buy it at the 100% retail maximum amount. So if that house is worth $200,000, you can't buy it for $200,000. You won't make any money. So again, getting back to it, your maximum amount will be 70% of the value. And how you'll find the value, you'll go to Zillow. Go to Zillow, find out an estimate of the value. You won't do a true, unless you have an appraiser friend, then you can ask them. But you only want to really ask them once you've determined that you've made an agreement or a deal with the seller or the homeowner, and you pretty much got a deal. You don't want to keep bothering your appraiser friend to give you these comps. So a good way to get some comps, which is comparables, a good way to get that is to do an estimate. So some free ways you can get that estimate is using Zillow.com, use Realtor.com, and they will have houses that sold in the same neighborhood. You always remember you don't want to do more than a mile. So anywhere from half a mile to a mile, when you put that formula into Realtor.com or Zillow.com from the address of the property that you're looking at trying to pick up, you want to do a half a mile. See what the other homes are selling for in the areas. That's giving you that will give you a good estimate of the value of the house. While you're looking at Realtor.com or Zillow.com trying to determine the estimated value, make sure it's similar to the home that you're looking at. So you can't look at a 2-bedroom versus a 4-bedroom. So the bedroom count and the square footage needs to be similar to the home that you're trying to find out the value of. Again, it needs to be similar and fixed up. So if it's not fixed up, then that's not going to be a true value of after rehab value, which you hear ARV, after repair or after rehab value. That's a good way of finding a good after rehab value. So again, remember, you're going to take 70% of your ARV at the rehab value, minus out the repairs, whether it be 10, 20, 40, 50, and then that is your MCO, maximum cash offer. Remember, don't start at the maximum. Know that's a base of what to offer. And taking this a little deeper, if you are a wholesaler and you're going to wholesale that property, then remember that cash buyers look for 15% of ROI. They want to look at ROI is return on investment. You know, I'll take 12 to 15% when I'm buying. It just depends. I'll even take down to 10% if it's in a great thriving location. So that's another consideration as you're looking at wholesaling these properties, and when you're trying to reach out to these homeowners, make sure you pay attention to that location, because that's going to be key in the value as well. So if I'm giving you some valuable information, stop for a moment, support the channel, and click on the subscribe, because I'll have a lot of videos giving you jam-packed tips and tools and information. So again, you want to subscribe if you haven't already. Go ahead and subscribe, because every video will be valuable and will give you information and help you to become a better you, help you in this investing game, and help you with this real estate. So subscribe now if you haven't already. Hopefully this video was helpful, and hopefully it was helpful in helping you to determine the maximum amount that you need to offer the potential seller. If you just need a little extra help, or you need someone to give you step by step, or you feel you just need that extra help, schedule a coaching call with me. Look in the link below. I have a link that you can schedule a coaching call, and I can help you out step by step, answer any specific questions that you may have in this entire real estate game. Also, look down in the link below for free stocks with Weibo. Through my link, they're giving out free stocks if you sign up with $100. Again, remember, that's a fast track way up to riches and wealth and to retirement. Be sure to watch the next Rena MoMoney video. Again, all the videos will be jam-packed and very informational and very, very, very valuable for you to help yourself to become a better you. We also